And a good Tuesday to you. I'm meteorologist Cindy Fitzgibbon. Quite a soaking yesterday. 1 to more than 2 inches of rain fell across the area, and that storm is now sitting to our northeast as high pressure is building in from the west. So in between, a little bit of a wind tunnel today. That west-northwesterly wind is going to be up all day long, sustained over 20 miles per hour, and it may gust over 30 miles per hour. So you are going to notice the wind. Temperatures will come out of the 40s, close to 60 degrees this afternoon with a good amount of sunshine. But again, that wind is going to make it feel a little bit cooler. Projecting a high of about 60 degrees in Boston, our coolest temperatures back through the Worcester Hills, but an average high this time of year is in the mid-50s, so not bad here on your Tuesday. The winds are going to die down tonight, and with mainly clear skies, the temperatures will drop, so it's going to be another chilly overnight. Suburbs running in the 30s, about 40 downtown, and tomorrow, lots of sunshine, but light winds. Really going to be the pick of the week. A beautiful day. We should come up into the lower 60s as you get away from the coastline, from Waltham to Wellesley and Norwood. But notice right along the coast, lower 50s, perhaps mid 50s in Boston before that sea breeze kicks in. The wind's going to turn on shore in the afternoon and keep the temperatures down. So the warmest temperatures, I think, away from the coastline tomorrow. High pressure will begin to drift eastward, though, tomorrow night. And on the backside, more of a southerly wind, and that's going to bring back some cloud cover as we get into the day on Thursday. So brightest days today and tomorrow. A lot of clouds on Thursday, but nothing more than a few sprinkles. You can see as we go from morning into midday, not much happening. I think a better chance of a couple of sprinkles popping up later in the afternoon and the evening. But if you have outdoor plans on Thursday, everything on the lighter side, so I won't worry about canceling them. That may change a little bit Friday into Saturday as this system kind of parks off to the west. There's going to be a plume of moisture streaming up the eastern seaboard. So plan on a lot of humidity on Friday. Temperatures coming up pretty mild into the mid 60s, and a band of heavier rain is going to pivot on through Friday night rather, into the day on Saturday. So that's our wettest time period. So I think it's a few showers on Friday, becoming a steadier rain Friday night into Saturday. And when all is said and done, the potential is there for more than an inch of rain in many areas. So it looks like a good soaking here to at least start the weekend. The hope is that we get this system by us and we dry things out a little bit for Easter on Sunday. Still should be fairly mild, though, with temperatures near 60.